Stop for a moment. Take a slow breath. If you feel lonely today, on Christmas or near Christmas, this is for you. You are not strange. You are not broken. You are not weak. Many people feel lonely now, even people who smile, even people in a big house, even people with friends. Lonely can live inside, quietly, like a cold room. I want to sit with you, just for a while. No pressure, no rushing. Take one more breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. If your chest feels heavy, that is okay. If your eyes feel tired, that is okay. If your mind is noisy, that is okay. You do not need to hide. Not here. Christmas can be hard. People do not say it, but it is true. You see bright lights, you see happy faces, you see family photos, you see gifts, you see dinners, and your heart says, "Why not me? Why not my life?" If you think that, you are human. Sometimes Christmas shows pain. It shows what you miss. It shows who is gone. It shows what you lost. It can show the year, a hard year, a lonely year. So please hear me. This feeling makes sense. And still, you can be okay. Not perfect, just okay, just steady. Now listen slowly. Lonely does not mean worthless. Lonely does not mean unloved. Lonely does not mean finished. Lonely is a feeling, a real feeling, but not a life sentence. Feelings can change, slowly, with small steps. Today we go small, very gentle. First, we help your body. Put your feet on the floor, if you can. Feel the floor. Take a slow breath in, hold 1 second. Breathe out. Again. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. Now relax your face, relax your jaw, lower your shoulders. You do not need to fight, not right now. Now look around you. Just look. Find one simple thing. A cup, a book, a phone, a chair. Now say one line. In English, very easy. This is my cup. This is my book. This is my phone. This is my chair. Say it again, slowly. Good. That was not about English. It was about now. It brings you back to this moment, back to your breath, back to your power. Now look around you, just look. Find one simple thing, a cup, a book, a phone, a chair. Now say one line, in English, very easy. This is my cup, this is my book, this is my phone, this is my chair. Say it again. Slowly. Good. That was not about English. It was about now. It brings you back to this moment, back to your breath, back to your power, if you pick gentle. Your job is simple. Drink some water. Eat something warm. Take a shower. Rest your body. No shame, no guilt. Rest is not weakness. Rest is care. If you pick honest, your job is simple too. Say one true line, out loud or in your head. I feel lonely today. That is truth. Truth is strong. You do not need a mask, not with yourself. If you pick one good thing, your job is simple. Do one small good act for someone or for you. Send one message, very short. Merry Christmas. I hope you are okay. That is enough. Or do something small at home. Clean one small spot. Make your bed. Open a window. Small good things matter. They warm the heart. A little. Now let us talk about shame. Lonely often brings shame. It says you are wrong. It says you are behind. But shame lies. Shame is not truth. Life is not the same. For every person, some people have family near, some do not. Some people lost someone. Some people moved away. Some people broke up. Some people are starting again. So please do not judge yourself. Do not attack yourself. You are doing your best with what you have. Now I want to say one thing very clearly. You are still here. That matters. Many people give up inside. They stop hoping. They stop trying. But you are listening. You are here. That means something in you still wants a better life. Hold that gently. Now repeat after me, slowly. I am not alone. Again. I am not alone. One more time. I am not alone. Good. Even if you feel alone, this line can still help. Now another line. My life can change. Say it. My life can change. Again. My life can change. Good. Now one more line. This is your turning point. I will start small today. Say it. I will start small today. Again. I will start small today. Good. Small is strong. Small is real. Now let us talk about the screen. Your phone, your feed. Christmas online can hurt. It can hurt a lot. You see happy photos, you see travel, you see gifts. Then your mind compares, and your heart drops. So today, try a small break, just 1 hour. 1 hour without scrolling, if you can. If 1 hour is hard, try 10 minutes. 10 minutes is okay. In that time, do one simple thing. Write 3 short lines. In English, today I feel sad. Today I want peace. Today I will start small. That is it. Or take a short walk, even 5 minutes. Look at the sky. Or play calm music, soft music, slow music. Your mind needs quiet, like your body needs water. Now let us talk about reaching out. Sometimes lonely is a sign to connect, even a little. If you have one safe person, one kind person, send one small message. Hey, I feel lonely today. That is enough. You do not need a long talk. You do not need to explain all. Just one small bridge. If you do not have that person right now, that is okay. You can build slowly, not in one day. One person, one place, one step. And yes, your English can help, because English is a bridge to people, to work, to a new life. Not tomorrow, but over time. When you speak one line, you train courage. When you speak with fear, you grow. Not fast, but real. Now I want a quiet promise, not a big promise. A hard day is not forever. A hard year is not forever. This feeling can pass. Like a wave, you can stand, you can breathe, you can wait it out. Now, let us do a small practice right now. Put one hand on your chest if you want. Say this line, I am here. Again, I am here. Now say, I am trying. Again, I am trying. Now say, that is enough today. Again, that is enough today. Good. You do not need a big win. You need a small win. So here is your mission. Only one mission. Choose one. Option 1. Speak one English line to yourself. I will start small today. Option 2. Send one kind message to one person. Merry Christmas. I hope you are okay. Option 3. Do one kind thing for your body. Drink water. Eat something warm. Take a shower. Rest. Only one. Not all 3. Do it slowly. Do it gently. When you finish, say this: I did something good. Because you did. Now I want to speak to you. Like an older brother. I know it can feel empty. I know it can feel quiet. I know it can feel unfair. But you are not done. Your story is not done. Christmas is one day. Your life is bigger. This day can be soft, even if it is lonely. You can make tea. You can eat. You can rest. You can breathe. You can keep going with small steps. And tomorrow, you can start again. Not perfect, just again. Thank you for staying here. Thank you for listening. If you feel lonely today, come back anytime. We will go slow, one story at a time. Change your life, one story at a time.